Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Joy and welcome to this family that keeps growing every day, and I hope you stick around because you're gonna be having so much fun. And before I go so far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna say like this video at the end of the video because yeah, I don't think it makes sense when I tell you to like the video at the beginning of the video. So yeah, just for now, subscribe to this channel, okay? And yeah, so for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how I do my ombre lips. Yes, my red, maroon, I think it's maroon actually, my maroon stroke black stroke, now the lighter part, which is the one that makes it ombre. Yes, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do it. And yeah, I am also gonna be sharing with you guys a few tips on how to maintain your lips and how to make them supple and delicious looking and excellent and marvelous looking. And this is not only for the girls, by the way, even the guys. Me, I am telling you guys, I don't know what I am telling you. But anyway, the first one, you've got to moisturize. Yes, you have to moisturize. Like, that is the most basic one, like you do on your face every morning, or on your body. The lips are the same. Aki, don't forget your lips. Even imagine you remember your hair and then you forget your lips. Hey, by the way, you have to just moisturize your lips. I am serious, because people don't moisturize their lips. I don't know why. Yes. So yeah, moisturizing your lips. By moisturizing, I mean use a balm or jelly, petroleum jelly, not lip gloss. Balm. Because lip gloss is for slaying, you guys. Don't just use lip gloss. Use balms and petroleum jelly. I basically use my chapstick. Focus. Yes, that is what I use on my lips to moisturize every single time. And then I also use Vaseline at night. Like, I use Vaseline at night after I am done with the day. So yeah, that is my first tip. You have to moisturize, by the way. That is very common and the people forget common all the time. So yeah, that is my first one. And then the second one, exfoliation. I don't know if so many people don't know about it, or people just don't get it, but exfoliation is so important. Just like you do a facial scrub on your face, you also do it to your lips. But now you're using I don't use facial scrub on my lips. I mix honey and sugar. You mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 2 teaspoons of sugar, so the sugar is more than the honey. Then after you mix them, you just put them on your lips, and then voila, there you go. And you let it stay there for a bit, and then you wash it off, and then you put on jelly, Vaseline, because I use Vaseline, and then you sleep on it in the morning. You guys are gonna look for me and thank me, by the way, because your lips look good. Literally, they just look amazing. And yeah, and you can, if you don't have honey, you can use jelly again and your toothbrush. You just put on Vaseline and your toothbrush, and you brush your lips, and then it just removes the dead skin, and your lips will look good. Don't forget to exfoliate. The third tip, this one is mostly for the girls. When you're using matte lip gloss, and then the day is over, you want to remove your makeup, and then you use dry wet wipes, like wet wipes but with nothing else, and then you're like scrubbing off the lip, the matte lipstick. You're gonna be hurting your lips for real. Like, you know, it's like removing super glue from your lips. Can you imagine? Like and I bet there is pain when you're removing it. Like when you're rubbing your lips, I bet there is pain. That's not right. Just use, first of all, put on some Vaseline or petroleum or petroleum jelly. That is Vaseline or any jelly that you have. Me, I'm saying Vaseline because I am used to it, and that is what I basically use all the time. And Vaseline, if you get this video, Do not forget a girl. So yeah, that is my third tip. Remove your matte lip gloss with a jelly and then your wet wipe, so that it comes out very easy, and it's just like your petroleum jelly, then you remove it and that's it. And if you're using a makeup remover to remove your makeup, then that's okay. You don't have to use any oil or jelly to remove it. So yeah, those are my 3 tips. So for today's video, we are making the ombre lip, so let's get right on. So I'm gonna go silent. So first things first, you need your mirror, and I am using my eyeshadow mirror because it works just fine. And the first product I go in with is my Black Davis eye pencil that works fine as a lip liner, sorry. And I start with my cupid's bow, going towards one end of the lip, and the same for the other end. And while you're working on your cupid's bow, you want to make sure you go with the shape of your lip, like fully. But you can also overline your lips if you want that fuller effect. If you want your lips to look a little bit fuller, you know, sometimes you just wanna go a little bit extra, you can do that as well. And then I go to my lower lip and I make sure that I shed like the sides of my lips to give it that dramatic effect, because we want a really good ombre. And then I go in with my chapstick. You can use petroleum jelly, but you use just a little bit of it because it helps with the drying up. And then when the matte is dried, you can smile without having cracks on your lips. And then I go in with my second product, which is Bobby Rose in the shade Wine. Mine is a little bit dry because I've been using it for the longest time. This brand has been amazing to me, and it works just fine. With whatever brand you're using, that's okay. Then I also start with the cupid's bow going towards the end. I ensure that the sides are really well and neatly done. And then when you're done with the upper lip, go towards the lower lip. I'm sorry, the sun kept doing whatever it was doing on my mirror. And yeah, when you're done with the lower lip and you're satisfied with the look, which I don't know why I was taking so long. Anyway, when you're done and you're satisfied with how it looks, you have to leave the center for the lighter color, okay? Because we are looking for an ombre. So for the lighter color, I go in with the Naked 5 Urban Decay matte lip gloss in the shade 15, and I tap just a little bit of it because you guys, this color is legit light, like it is super bright. And I only put it on the lower lip. If you can find a slightly darker one, that's okay, because mine, like you can see, it is already messing up one side because I put a little bit of extra in it, which I wasn't supposed to. So, but don't worry about that. Ombre is always about correction, okay? If you mess up somewhere, you have to correct it, and you don't be in a rush to finish your ombre look, because if you're in a rush, you're gonna get out of the house looking like no. So yeah, we're gonna correct that side, and when you're correcting it, you use very little amounts of the color that you're trying to correct. And by this I mean you have to be very careful, because if you use too much of it, it's gonna destroy it again. If you use too little, you will have to keep adding on to it. So yeah, when you're done correcting, if you made mistakes, there you go, there is the full look, there is the matte lip gloss, the ombre one. So yeah, when you're done, you can smile at the mirror and be like, oh girl, you're slaying. But anyway, yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. I am so glad you joined us. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.